Morning, everyone. So in this video, we'll be learning one concept that how we can navigate from one screen to another in Flutter. So if we are using a mobile application, we'll see on click of some component like buttons or some text or some heading or some icons, it brings the user to some other screen. So we'll be looking how this feature we can achieve in your Flutter application. So if you are following our previous video, you will see in the last video we built this news card in our Flutter app. So mostly we will have a new screen and we have provided few cards over here in the form of news card. So before jumping to the topic, let me extract these widgets into a news card component. So yeah, if we run this project, we'll have this news card. As you can see, we have this tree. We can add more news card over here. These cards will be displayed in the UI screen. Now, our goal in this video will be on click of something, some component, let's say text or icon, how we can move from one screen to another. So we have considered this complete screen as a new screen, and let us create another screen. Let's call it as news details screen. So I have just provided an upper, and in the upper I have given a title called news details. And let me just construct a simple body over here. Okay, so my body is also ready. Now, if we go in the news card, we don't have any event listener. That means we don't have anything on tab. So to bring that this on tab feature, we can use int well or gesture detector. So let me just use on int well and use this on tab property. So we can write some logic over here. Let's say so now if we tap on this news card, you'll see this method, whatever we have printed over here is getting displayed. So to achieve our navigation functionality, Dart has provided some sort of navigator class. So what it is navigator class. So this navigator class has a few methods. You can see push, pop, off, push and remove until push name. These are the things we can use to achieve our different kind of navigation. So for now, we are moving from one screen to another. We'll be simply using this push. This push required a context and it's required a route as well. So for this route, if we hover on it, we'll see this is asking for a generic route. So we have few route implement in Dart itself that is called material page route. and it's need a builder function, and that need to return what will be the end string. So now see, we have created a route and we have used this navigator class and this push method, and we have provided a context and the route in which the navigation will happen. So if I reload this project and click on the item, you'll see it is bringing me to the next screen. So in this way, you can achieve the navigation from one screen to another in Dart. Now let's understand one more thing, how we can interact with this navigation. So you can add some sort of hero animation from one screen to another that you can do. But before that, let me just put this information over there as well. So say our news details screen is available over here also. Now to achieve hero animation, we need two kind of similar widgets. Here we can see this image we can use as a similar widget. So what we have to do, we have to wrap our widget with the hero widget, and we have to use a tag. And same thing we have to use in our source widget as well. Now, if you use this one, I'm having error because there has one issue over here. That's why I'm having the error. This is mostly, let me just do this index space. And here also we can pass the properties whatever we want. Let's say we'll be passing that same index into the next field. We can use this same indexes. Now it will ask me for the index again. Yeah, so I have mostly provided the informations. Now if I run and click on this, so we have to provide same ID into both the places. I mean a tag in both the places. Now if we click on it, we can see we are having some kind of animation that we can see. So this way we can make our navigation interactive as well. So if you hover on it, we have some other property that we can use to make it more intuitive. So yeah, this was mostly how we can navigate from one screen to another. We can use this Navigator.push that is built in with Flutter itself, and we have to provide a route and context. But there is some other advanced way also to navigating from one screen to another, that we may use the Go router, that is kind of um, having the property similar to web. We have a popular GetX package as well, so we can use Get routes as well to have our navigation. But this is mostly the building blocks and basic information that we need to know to fulfill our routing and navigation in our Flutter application. Yes, thank you everyone. See you in the next video. Bye bye.